sound.
There's something under my bed. Peppa! There's something under my bed.
What's wrong, George?
I'll go with you. I'm a bit scared. Me too, just a little. I don't see anything under the bed.
Did you hear that?
Let's go get Daddy! Daddy! There's a noise under George's bed.
Oh?
Let Daddy take a look.
Don't worry, Daddy's here. I see it.
It's just a wind-up toy car.
So it wasn't a monster!
Night.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, Daddy.
Look at all the pretty leaves. They're so colorful.
This is so much fun!
Who's my little leaf jumper? You're flying like a leaf.
Oh dear, look at those clouds. I think a storm is coming.
The wind is so strong. I'm scared.
Quickly, everyone! We need to find shelter.
This way. I think I see something ahead.
Look! A big tree. We can hide inside.
There we go. Everyone inside. We'll be safe here until the storm passes.
Don't worry, Peppa. We're all together and we're safe.
The storm is still really loud outside. But it's not so scary in here with you.
Did I ever tell you about the time I tried to build a leaf house that was bigger than our real house?
Okay, Daddy Pig. That's so silly, Daddy.
A leaf house that big would blow away in the wind. Look, the storm is passing. The sun is coming back.
Wow!
The forest looks so pretty after the rain. What a lovely park!
So green. Walking. I love walks. Pick up, pick up. Hello, Freddie. Hello, Freddie. Hello. She's cleaning the park. Let's help. You're cleaning the park. Yes. Drop. Pick and drop. Drop. Teamwork. Team. Last one. Hooray! All done.
Clean park.
It's beautiful. So clean. Let's sing. Yes, sing.
us smile and play.
I love helping! Me too! Oh no! The playground is wet!
Splashy splash. Splashy splash. But too much water.
We can't play now!
The slide is swimming.
We need help! 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 Yeah! Help! I'll make a call. Good idea! Good idea! Hello? Playground is flooded. Please come quickly. Will they come? Yes, I think so. Look! A yellow truck! Hooray! Thank you, truck! Slurp the water! The water is going away! Bye, water! It's working! Working! Yay! All dry now. Thank you! Yeah! Bye-bye, truck! See you! Let's play! Sleigh! Sled time! Slide time! Whee! What a fun day! Bestest day ever! Ha 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 ha! Ha ha ha!
Today we plant roses.
Roses?
For Mummy.
The soil is soft. We picked up it perfect for flowers.
Perfect for flowers.
Dig, dig!
I want to try.
Peppa want dig? Like this? Yes!
Great job. It's pretty.
Like you're saying something like T pretty.
Very pretty. Careful now.
Gentle. Pat, pat.
Nice and snug.
Water time.
Not too much. Drink, flower.
Well done.
It's growing.
Soon it will bloom.
Mommy.
Come see.
Hello.
Come see.
Hello.
Roses?
For you.
For you. A surprise.
I love them. Yay.
Happy Me Mummy Day.
Thank you both.
Let's draw pictures. Drawing. For Freddy. Blue sky. Pink fun. A happy face. Happy. Dinosaur. Freddy likes dinosaurs.
Yellow is sunny.
Sunny. Careful. Oops. Silly. Silly. Hearts for Almost done. Nearly. Nearly. We did it! We did it! Yay! Yay! Hello! Surprise! For you!
Wow! Thank you!
I love it! Do you like it? Yay! On the wall. Perfect! Nice! Happy friends! Happy drawing!